In this video, we'll show you how to ship dry ice by air. Dry ice is the solid form of carbon dioxide. It comes in flakes, pellets, or blocks. It's commonly used to cool biological specimens and food. For this shipment, we'll use flakes. To ship dry ice, you need to be trained and understand the necessary regulations. Say you want to ship ice cream. How can you ensure your product will be shipped safely and without melting? To ship dry ice, use styrofoam for the inner packaging. This packaging is designed to allow the release of carbon dioxide gas, while also preventing a buildup of pressure that might rupture it. The packaging must be capable of withstanding very low temperatures and remain unaffected or damaged by the dry ice. For the outer packaging, use a good quality cardboard box. When adding dry ice to the inner package, make sure you're wearing gloves. Then put the tub of ice cream in and fill the remaining space up with more dry ice. Close the inner box, but don't use the H method to tape it. This avoids a buildup of pressure. Next, place the inner package in the outer package. Now you can attach the Class 9 label and fill in the airway bill. You will need to provide extra information in the Nature and Quantity of Goods section on the airway bill. First, state the UN number, which is 1845. Second, the proper shipping name, dry ice or carbon dioxide solid. And third, add the net weight of the dry ice per package. The net weight of the dry ice must also be marked on the outside of the package in kilograms. The shipper's and receiver's addresses must be labelled on the package. Ensure all the labels are placed directly onto the package, but don't place the labels in a plastic pouch, as it won't stay attached to the package because of the condensation. And that's how you ship dry ice. Another option is to hire a person or company to do it for you. Thanks for watching. Explore the shipping channel for more videos.